How to connect Extreme Mini Game Box to Samsung Smart TV. Method number 1, using an HDMI connection. Step number 1, connect the HDMI cable. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on the Extreme Mini Game Box. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to an available HDMI port on your Samsung Smart TV. Step number 2, select the HDMI input on your TV. Turn on your Samsung TV and press the source or input button on your remote. Select the HDMI input you connected to. Step number 3, power on the game box. Ensure that the Extreme Mini Game Box is connected to a power source and turned on. The game should now display on your Samsung TV screen. Method number 2, using AV composite connection. Step number 1, locate the AV ports on your Samsung TV. Look for the AV input ports, typically marked by yellow for video, red and white audio ports. Step number 2, connect the AV cables. Plug the yellow, red, and white cables from the Extreme Mini Game Box into the matching colored ports on your Samsung TV. Step number 3, select the AV input on your TV. Use your TV remote to press the source or input button. Choose AV or composite from the list of inputs to view the game box. Step number 4, power on the game box. Make sure the Extreme Mini Game Box is connected to power and turned on. You should now see the Games Box main menu on the TV. Optional, sync wireless controllers, if available. Step number 1, insert batteries. Insert the required batteries into each wireless controller for the Extreme Mini Game Box. Step number 2, follow pairing instructions. Refer to the Game Box's manual for pairing instructions, if necessary, to sync the controllers. Step number 3, start playing. Use the controllers to navigate the game menu and start playing.